We got Mitchell's tanning up here in the shop today.
Now people can't see me and they're picking my nose.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit up this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going out to Atlanta, Georgia for Fuel Fest. So this ought to be interesting. We got the Beamer, we got all the tires loaded up, and we are about to get out of here. So we'll see you there. This ought to be an epic one. Let's go. Freezing here. Probably like what, 40 degrees. What's going on, guys? We made it out to Fuel Fest Atlanta at Atlanta Motor Speedway. We already got the truck unloaded and the car unloaded. There are a bunch of people here and I don't know one person, so this ought to be interesting. It's gonna be a fun day, so stay tuned and check it out. We're gonna go cruise around and see what all's out here. Let's go.
Throw it up, you throw it. In 30 seconds in, I'm about to blow it up. You pull it up, your crowd is forming. Tell them all to throw it up, you throw it. Make some noise!
Alright, so we took our first couple of laps. It was actually pretty fun. The entrance though, as you're wanting to get speed on the first turn, there's a huge bump. So we have to wait until after the bump to initiate. But other than that, you can pretty much power second gear through the whole thing. A bunch of my boys are out here. Nico's out here from Hoon Garage. Mitchell Roar's out here as well. So we got some of my Beamer boys out here. But let's go take some more laps and get back to it. Let's go. Obviously, you guys saw the 2 tires that we damaged, but I also damaged my wrap. Look at this. It's got a bunch of black marks all over the wrap. It's kind of crazy. I'm gonna try to rub it, see if we can use like a cleaner to rub it off, but I don't know. Let's go back out and let's do some more laps.
When they pull up, we gon' slide, click back up. Test in my chin, watch my whole click back up. In 30 seconds in, I'm about to blow it up. You pull it up, your crowd is forming. Tell them all to throw it up, you throw it up. In 30 seconds in, I'm about to blow it up. You pull it up, your crowd is forming. Tell them all to throw it up, you throw it up.
Fuel Fest has helped to generate over $500,000 for Reach Out Worldwide.
Make some noise! Reach Out Worldwide was founded by Paul Walker. Make some noise right now. $500,000 because of Fuel Fest and you guys showing up. Make some noise right now.
Fuel Fest was awesome. It was the best event ever. Atlanta was epic. We had all kinds of cars out here. A lot of my Beamer boys were out here. Unfortunately, I didn't know a lot of the other drivers here, but we teamed up with some of them, did some tandems, took a bunch of people on ride-alongs. I think we took like 15 people on ride-alongs, so we actually made our money back. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.